Hi there YouTube, welcome to the channel. I'm Paul Yateman, I draw stuff. Today I am drawing two spacecraft. My first spacecraft is a smooth organic design of mine, while the second one is heavily influenced from a Chris Foss Design. This sketch session is part of February's Chris Foss Challenge Month. I begin with the light sketch of Spaceship 1 to work on the shape consisting mostly of smooth lines. Light sketching is aided by the way you see me holding the pencil. I then move to Spaceship 2. While I show you this sketch, I've placed a reference on screen for you. The second ship is a wedge shape and overall has hard lines which are reflected in the paintwork. For this ship I make extensive use of the ruler. The plan today was to rough out the designs and detail them in fine liner, which is coming up now. As I ink the sketch I also add detail. This is mostly in the form of applied pipes and panels. For the wedge-shaped ship, I use my ruler where I can to maintain the straight lines, as my freehand tends to be a bit wobbly. For the smoother ship, I use my fine liner without a ruler. The majority of non-main element lines are in place to give the ship form, so the lines here follow the contour of the vessel. For the final line art touches, I thicken up the lines on the outside edges of both ships. This helps to bring the drawings out of the page. I begin with a warm grey on the rear of the wedge ship, leaving a space for where I will colour the thrust. While adding the yellow stripes, I make an error which turns into a happy accident by not aligning them. My R29 is running out of ink, so I coloured it as best I could, and the patchy look gives the ship a bit of wear and tear, so that was a win. Although I do need to replace my ink. To finish off the ship, I use a little bit of HB pencil, and that's not something I tend to do after colouring in, so experimentation can be good. To contrast the smooth ship against the wedge, I go for a blue and pinkish overall colour scheme. The ship's mostly going to be grey with the brightest colours of blue and pink, and as an afterthought I also add some orange just for the heck of it. So, what do you think? Show me your interpretation of my work. Anywho, if you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, inspirational, etc., subscribe, like and share. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao and take care.